On the count of 3, my friends, you are going to put those in order from greatest to smallest. Hands still up, hands still up.
My hand. She got you on tape if you put it out.
When you have all 7 of them in the correct order, stand up and say metric system.
Okay.
Ready?
Metric system.
What? Hands in there.
How about 3 again? How about
1,
3? Because we still got to flip them.
2, 3.
Wait. Come on. Wait, metric system.
First person. I got 2.
Metric system. I'm missing one. Metric system. Metric system.
Check your neighbor. Make sure they have it correct.
Metric system. Metric system. Metric system. Metric system. You said smallest to biggest.
I said biggest to smallest. All right. Sit back down. Let's make sure we have it in the correct order from biggest to smallest. What's on top?
Kilo.
Then.
Hecto.
Then.
Deco.
Deca.
I got it right. Everybody said kilo.
Then next is.
Unit.
And.
Centi.
And.
Centi.
Next.
Milli.
Flip them over. Shuffle them up one more time. Quickly, shuffle them up. 15 seconds to shuffle. Keep mixing them up. Keep mixing them up. Keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing. Hands in the air.
Can I show Audrey? It's right there. Don't cut the side.
On the count of 3. 1. Ooh, this time. Let's go from smallest to biggest. Smallest on top, biggest on bottom. Ready? Oh, sorry. Hands in the air, everybody. Both hands. Marcos, both hands. There you go. Ready? Go.
Bingo. Millimeter. Metric system. Metric system.